Okay. So let's take x plus y to the power 5. X plus y, x plus y, x plus y, x plus y, and another x plus y. They're all multiplied. Now, if I say, what is the coefficient of x cube, y, 5 minus 3? So what is the coefficient? If so, the coefficient will be nothing but number of ways can we select 3x from 5. So it means, see, let's number this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 3s can be chosen like this 1, 2, 3. It is possible. Or it is also possible to choose 2, 3, 4. It is also possible to choose 1, 2, 4. This way, so on. Am I right? Do you agree with me or not? So this selection represents the coefficient. Did you get it?
Yes, sir.
So what would be the answer? What would be the answer of the coefficient? What would be the answer? NC R or C and R or n factorial R factorial and minus R factorial. So this one. So x plus y to the power n. This is nothing but the first term is xn. So what would be the coefficient for this? What would be the coefficient for this?
MC one.
NC n plus xn minus 1 y. What is the coefficient for this? NC n minus 1. Dot 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 uh, x y n minus 1. What is the coefficient? NC 1 plus finally NC 0 y to the power n. So this is called binomial coefficient. Did you get it? Mm-hmm.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. Now let's try to solve this problem. Let's assume something like this. 2a what is the coefficient of a to the power 4 b square in twice a plus 4b to the power 6. Now tell me, what is the answer?
Six
Hmm. What is the
mm,
coefficient of this coefficient of
64
64? Okay, then
into 2 to the power 4
good,
into
good,
4
good,
to the power
good,
2.
good, good. You understand. So how can we do that one? X plus y to the power 6. If this is the expression, it's x to the power 4 y square coefficient is equal to what? Equal to c,
Uh,
that
6
means 6 and 4. Am I right?
6 and 4.
Good.
64.
Now 6 and 4. Total 6 and 4. Now let x equal to twice a and y equal to 4b. Then what do we get? We get this is nothing but twice a plus 4b to the power 6. So it's twice a to the power 4 into 4b to the whole square coefficient equal to 6 and 4.
Sir,
Now,
sir, 6 and 4 কেন লিখছেন? Like 6C4 না?
oh yeah, sorry, it should be 6. Thank you.
Okay.
64. Now we have extra 2 to the power 4. So a to the power 4 b square coefficient is equal to, so there is a 2 to the power 4 extra and 4 square extra into 6 c4. So this is the answer. This one has coefficient this. So definitely there is something extra there. So we have to add that one. Uh, we have to remove that one, and it is going to add with this. So this part is add with this. All right. Do you have any query?
No, sir.
Okay. All right. If you understand this. আচ্ছা এবার দেখি এটা বলো মাল্টিনোমিয়াল কোএফিশিয়েন্ট so why this is called binomial coefficient? Do you know the answer why it is called binomial coefficient?
Binomial basically chooses between two.
Two. So because we have two variables x and y. Multinomial coefficient is we have more than two values. So how about this? X1 plus x2 plus dot 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 xt to the power n. What is the theorem? X1 plus x2 dot 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 xt to the power n. What is the theorem?
Hmm. জানি না স্যার।
জানো না? আচ্ছা এটা যে কোনো একটা টার্ম টেক এ জেনারেল টার্ম take a general term that means find out coefficient of x1 n to the power 1 x2 n to the power 2 dot 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 xt n to the power t where n1 n2 dot 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 nt is equal to n. So at first, so it is nothing but like this. It is nothing but like this. X1 plus x2 dot 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 xt to the power n. This is nothing but x1 plus x2 dot 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 xt. Then again it is multiplied with x1, x2, xt. So this way, how many terms would be there? How many x1, x2?
N.
N. Good. So n term. N. Now, how can you find out the coefficient for x1 to the power n1? You have to choose n1 numbers. You have to choose so For this one, number one, choose Kalishesh. Choose N1 X1 from total of N. So what would be the number? Tell me. Choose N1 X1s from total of N. So what will be the answer? Simple. N, C, N1. Now, number two. Choose N2 X2s from, we have already choose N1 number of, sorry, we have already choose N1 number of N. So how many remain? How many remaining? N minus N1. Because we have already chosen N1 terms from N. We have remained N minus N1. So it would be nothing but N minus N1, C, and 2. Now let's go to 3. Choose N3 X3s from remaining N minus N1 minus N2. What is the answer? N minus N1 minus N2, C, N3. So this way continue until we get T. What is T? Choose N T X T's from N minus N1 dot 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 minus N T minus 1. This is nothing but N minus N1 minus N2 minus dot 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 C and T. So this is subtask 1, this is subtask 2, this is subtask 3, this is subtask T. So what would be the answer? So the coefficient of x1 and 1, x2, t and t in x1 is what? And c1 and 1 multiply with n minus n1 c and 2 start dot 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 start n minus n1 dot 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 n t minus 1 c and t. We can simplify it. What would be the answer? n factorial n minus n for n 1 factorial, then n minus n1 factorial, n2 factorial, n2 factorial, n minus n1 minus n2 factorial. So this will continue. And last one is n minus n1 minus dot 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 n t minus 1 factorial divided by n t factorial n minus n1 dot 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 n t factorial. So this one cross out, this one cross out. The final answer is n divided by n1 factorial, n2 factorial, dot dot dot, n minus n1. This one cross out. This is the answer. Did you get the point? Any question? Just ask me. No question? Guys, any question or not?
No, sir.
Nothing. Okay.
No, sir.
So let's start new topic today. And this is the last class for permutation combination. The new topic is nothing but combination with repetition or distribution. It is also called distribution. I need five volunteers. Who would be 5 volunteers?
Inzamam.
Injawam, Disha. I need another 3. Istiak. Then
Abida,
Abida and
Sadia,
Sadia. Good. আর লাগবে না I1 I2 আচ্ছা আপনাদের ফেভারিট খাবার কি হোয়াট ইজ ইয়ার ফেভারিট ফুড
Pizza.
পিজা
ফুচকা,
আচ্ছা ফুচকা আর কি আছে
বিরিয়ানি,
বিরিয়ানি আর কি
বার্গার,
বার্গার আর আর খাবার নাই
Pasta.
পাস্তা আচ্ছা আর লাগবে না পিজা হচ্ছে গিয়ে P1 ফুচকা হচ্ছে P2 বিরিয়ানি হচ্ছে B1 বার্গার হচ্ছে B2 পাস্তা হচ্ছে B3 এটা হচ্ছে আমার these are food items and these are my people what is your favorite game এই পাঁচজন কি খেলতে পারে
Cricket.
লুডো বললেন না লুডো বললে এটা কোনো হবে না
Cricket.
লুডো কোনো খেলা না কি খেলা
Cricket.
ক্রিকেট আচ্ছা these 5 people played cricket they have become very hungry at the afternoon so on their way back to home they entered mama food store they entered in mama food store okay mama food store and mama food stores offers these 5 food items now this is the menu of mama food store these are the 5 people playing cricket how many different way read carefully questionটা খেয়াল করেন how many different way can they select food items if there is enough food for each item so this is the question is the question clear to you how many different ways can they select food items if there is enough food for each item এবার বলেন অ্যান্সারটা কি হবে is the question clear to you guys or not
Yes, sir. Question
question
is
is clear তাহলে মনে করেন এখানে আমি একটা ক্যাচ দেই মনে করেন I1 D I2 A S এই তিনজন নিল পিজা, ও নিল বিরিয়ানি, আর ও নিল পাস্তা। এটা একটা সিলেকশন, এম আই রাইট? প্রথম তিনজন পিৎজা, 4 জন বিরিয়ানি, 4 জন বার্গার, আর 5 জন পাস্তা। আবার
স্যার প্রথম তিনজন পিজা হলো I2 এর নিচে P1।
আচ্ছা বাদ দেন, ধরেন থার্ড জন হচ্ছে গিয়ে ফুচকা। গুড, ইট ইজ নট ইম্পর্টেন্ট। I2 AS। এখানে আবার ব্যাপারটা এরকম, প্রথম জন পিজা, পরের জন ফুচকা, পরের জন বার্গার, তারপরের জন আবার পিজা, এন্ড ফাইনালি লাস্ট জন হচ্ছে গিয়ে পাস্তা। আর দ্য সেম অর ডিফারেন্ট? আর দ্য সেম অর ডিফারেন্ট? কথা বললেন। They are actually same.
Sir, they're same because food items.
They are same because here important is selection of food items.
Yes, sir.
How many food items are selected? That is important in this selection. If 3, if the answer is 2, here answer is 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. And here is also 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 for the corresponding food items. They are same. So they are actually same selection. Here food items are important. Here which people is having which item, that is not important. Did you get the point? If you get the point, now tell me what would be the answer. বলেন, কথা বলেন। Don't be shy, tell me. No answer. Acha. Now we are trying to solve this problem. To solve this problem, we are going to play a game. Let's play a game. Game of stick and Rashogolla. Game of stick and
রসগোল্লা।
Rashogolla. So, what are my sticks? What are my sticks? What are my Rashogollas? These people are my Rashogolla. So there are 5 Rashogollas or 5 balls. So representing 5 people, how many balls I require? Representing 5 people, how many balls I require? কিন্তু দেওয়াই আছে, কয়টা বল লাগবে? Tell me.
5.
5. Good. Now,
আমি এতক্ষণ ধরে বলছিলাম আমার মাইক অফ ছিল।
okay. Now, food items. For representing 5 food items, how many stick I require? Minimum. For representing 5 food items, how many stick I require?
5.
5. 5? That is
Five.
the, using 5 sticks it is possible. We know that. But is there any minimum values? How about 4? চারটা থেকে সম্ভব? Using 4, is it possible? If I use 4 sticks, how many space are between this? Tell me. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. তার মানে if I use 4 sticks and if I consider the empty space between sticks, then using 4 sticks I can represent 5 food items. Do you agree with me or not?
Yes.
Okay. Now, this empty space is nothing but pizza. This empty space is nothing but fuska. This empty space is nothing but biryani. This empty space is nothing but burger. and this last empty space is nothing but P3. That means pasta. Now, how can I represent this? How can I represent this? I have two person. I have two person taken pizza. So here I have two balls. Just before first ticks, I have two balls because the first position is nothing but P1 or pizza. Now, how many person taken fuska? 1%. So between first and second stick, there is one ball. No person has taken biryani, so it is empty. Then one person has taken burger, so there is one ball. And finally, one person has taken pasta, so there is another one. So this is the represent of this. Do you agree with me or not?
Yes.
So each of this representation means a selection. So how many this kind of representation are possible? Tell me. How many this kind of representation are possible? Simple. We have did this problem before. Tell me. The answer would be. Tell me. The answer would be how many items are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The answer would be
9.
9. C 9 factorial divided by these are same 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 factorial, and 6 are same 4 factorial. So this would be answer. Do you agree with me or not? We have did this problem before, right? So this is the answer. So let's generalize this problem. The number of selection with repetition are objects from an still objects can represent are colas and bars. The number of selection or distribution is what? So, for n distinct objects, I require n minus 1 sticks. And R, I need R number of balls. So, this is nothing but n plus R minus 1 factorial divided by R factorial divided by n minus 1. This is nothing but C n plus R minus 1. So, this is the answer. So, let's do some problems. Let's do some problems. number. In Eid Salami, Dadu made checks of 100 taka, checks of made এটা কইবা লাগান 10 checks of 1000 taka. How many ways can he distribute the checks to new Binu? So what did you answer? Tell me. Tell me please. Is the question clear to you guys? Please, is the question clear?
Sir, he made 10 checks and he'll distribute it among 2 people.
No. In Eid Salami, Dadu made 10 checks of 1000 taka.
Okay.
In Eid Salami, Dadu made 10 checks of 1000 taka. How many ways can he distribute the checks to Inu Binu? আসলে 100 টাকা বলা উচিত ছিল, যাই হোক 100 টাকা কোনো বলবো না। তো কিভাবে করা যায়? তাই সলিউশন, নাম্বার অফ চেকস কত? What is
10.
number of checks? Number of checks equal to what? 10.
10,
Good. তাহলে এখানে আইটেম কোনটা আর স্টিক কোনটা? আইটেম কোনটা আর মানে স্টিক কোনটা আর বল কোনটা? হ্যাঁ, কোনটা স্টিক ধরবো? চেকগুলোকে
10,
স্টিক ধরবো? হ্যাঁ, চেকগুলো হচ্ছে গিয়ে, চেকগুলো কি বল অফ স্টিক? চেকগুলো কি বল অফ স্টিক?
stick,
Ball.
একজন একবার এক একজন এক এক আনসার দিচ্ছে, একবার বলে বল, একবার বলে স্টিক। এটা খুব সিম্পল। আমি 10 চেককে ধরলাম, 10টা বল। 10 checks is nothing but 10 balls. আর দুইটা স্টিক নিলাম, 2 sticks. So this one is Inu, this one is Minu, this one is Binu. So now tell me, what would be the answer? What would be the answer? Formula. So number of distribution. So this is nothing but R equal to 10, and this is nothing but N equal to 2. The distribution is C n plus R minus 1 R. So this is nothing but C 10 plus 2 minus 1 divided by 10, which is nothing but what? Nothing but C 11 by 10.
11, 10.
What would be the answer? What would be the answer? 11 factorial, 10 factorial, 1 factorial, which is nothing but 11. So this is the answer. Did you get it? Now let's make it little complicated, twisted. Let's make it little twisted. Binu number 2, see, as it is Eid, Dadu wants to give everybody at least one check, and as Minu is his favorite grandchild, she has given 5,000 taka. Now tell me how many different ways you can distribute. Can we distribute the checks? Tell me, what would be the answer? কথা বলেন। Please don't shy. Tell me. How many checks remain? Total number of checks. Number of checks. Number of total checks is what?
1.
Number of total checks is 10. Right?
জি স্যার।
প্রত্যেকে একটা করে মনে করেন মিনু পাবে at least কয়টা? Minu gets at least what? 5,000 টাকা।
Yes, sir.
তাহলে কয়টা চেক পেল সে?
5টা।
গুড।
5।
আর বাকিরা ইনু কয়টা পাবে? at least 1, আর
বিনু
Minu pape kato? Gets
1.
at least
1।
1 because we ensured everybody gets at least one check. So remaining check is what? Remaining check is what?
3।
7.
3. Good. Now, how many balls are there? How many balls are there? Previous problem, আমরা কোনটাকে বল ধরেছি? চেককে বল ধরেছি। তাহলে 3 checks. 3 checks means 3 balls. 3 balls. আর people কয়জন?
3।
3.
So 3 people means 2 sticks. কারণ এটা হচ্ছে আমার again ইনু, এটা হচ্ছে গিয়ে
বিনু
মিনু আগে মনে হয়।
মিনু।
মিনু
মিনু
আগে, মিনু and মিনু। তাহলে 2 sticks. তাহলে আমার ইয়াটা কত হবে? What would be the answer? What would be the answer? So number of distribution is equal to C.
C n plus r minus 1.
Oh, I'm sorry. I made a mistake. Sorry, extremely sorry. I made a mistake. এখানে মাইনাস হবে না, কারণ এই পুরোটাই হচ্ছে 3 minus 1. This is nothing but 3 minus 1. Sorry. I'm extremely sorry. So it would be nothing like this. C 10 plus 3 minus 1 by 10. So it would be nothing but 2. So the answer would be, sorry, I'm extremely sorry. C 12 by 10. So this would be the answer. Sorry. So it would be what? 3 plus 2, comma 3. So it is nothing but C 5, comma 3. This is not. Sorry. So remember, because 2 means 3 minus 1. So it would be 3 minus 1. I made a mistake. So 10 plus 2 is 12, comma 2. So please remember this. Yes. So is it clear to you guys? Let's do another problem. What is the favorite things for girl? Which gift you like most? Huh? Girls, which gift you like most? Disha? Nobody is there. ছেলেরা কোন গিফট পছন্দ করে? Which gift you like most? বিরস ক্লাস আগে দেখিনি। কোন গিফট পছন্দ করেন? ইনজামাম?
শার্ট
শার্ট। আচ্ছা, ছেলেদের পছন্দ হচ্ছে শার্ট, বডি স্প্রে, আচ্ছা পারফিউম। আর মেয়েদের পছন্দ কি?
স্যার
Ornament.
চকলেট।
হ্যাঁ,
চকলেট।
Ornament.
চকলেট। ওকে, খুব ভালো, এটা ঠিক আছে। তো নাও সি, প্রবলেমটা দেখেন। There are 5 pretty girls and 5 handsome boys. For girls, there are 10 packs of chocolates and for boys, there are 8 perfumes. How many different ways? Can you distribute? The chocolates and perfumes? Tell me, what would be the answer? Tell me. What would be the answer? So, how can you solve this? So, you can divide the whole task to 2 subtasks. This is subtask 1, this is subtask 2. This is distribution to girls. This is distribution to boys. So, how many as you can distribute? Tell me. Tell me. Distribution to girls. আচ্ছা, এটা একটা পার্ট। এখানে আমার কত গার্ল, কত নাম্বার অফ গার্লস হচ্ছে 5, নাম্বার অফ গার্লস হচ্ছে 5, আর চকলেট কত প্যাক আছে?
10.
10।
নাম্বার অফ packs of chocolate is equal to 10. So which one would be my stick and which one would be my balls?
স্টিক হচ্ছে গার্লস আর
Good. এটা
Ball.
এটা বের করা খুব জরুরি, নাহলে পুরোটাই একদম everything is become hodgepodge. So this one is nothing but balls. So items usually considered as ball. They are the same thing, balls. So these are the balls, 10 balls. And the girls are actually what? Sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sticks. So what would be the answer? What would be the answer? C, 10 plus 4, 10. So it is nothing but C, 14, 10. Now, এটা আসে distribution 2 boys. Number of boys is what?
5.
5.
And number of perfumes are what?
8.
Good. তাহলে এখানে বলস কোনটা, স্টিক্স কোনটা?
Balls হচ্ছে পারফিউম।
বল হচ্ছে পারফিউম। গুড, ভেরি গুড। সো 8টা বল আর বয়েজ হচ্ছে স্টিক। 1 2 3 4, so 4 sticks. What would be the answer for this? C
10.
8 plus
8 plus
4
4.
8.
8.
So C 12,8. Now what would be the final answer? A big task is divided to subtasks. So number of distribution is equal to C 14,10 multiply with C
12.
12,8. Good.
8.
So this is the answer final. All right. এবার লাস্ট আরেকটা প্রবলেমে যাই। এটা ভেরি ইম্পর্টেন্ট, প্রতি সেমিস্টারে আসছে এই প্রবলেমটা, ফাইনালও আসতে পারে, যথেষ্ট চান্স আছে। x1 plus x2 plus x3 x4 is equal to 12. How many different integer solution possible for the above equation? How many different integer solutions are possible for the above equation? Is the question clear to you? Question is very simple. Tell me. Give me a solution of this equation. Give me a solution of this equation, please. So, like this. x1 equal to 1, x2 equal to 0, x3 equal to 5, and x4 equal to 6. So this is one solution. How about this? x1 equal to 0, x2 equal to 2, x3 equal to 2, x4 equal to 8. This is another solution. So this way, how many different solutions are possible? Tell me. হ্যাঁ, কথা বলেন। So again, আমরা এটাকে এরকম করতে পারি। Let's take 3 sticks. 1 2 3. So this is nothing but x1, this is nothing but x2, this is nothing but x3, this is nothing but x4. Did you get it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, আর 12 আমরা ধরতে পারি কয়টা বল? 1 2 12 balls. Good. Right? তাহলে how can the number of different way we can put these 12 balls in this empty spaces, that is actually the each solution. So what would be this? How can I represent this one?
C 12.
এটা ফার্স্টের আগে একটা, কারণ x1 equal to 1. This one is 0, so nothing is there. তারপর 5টা, তারপর ফাইনালি 6টা। এটা হচ্ছে এটার সলিউশন। এটা কিভাবে দেওয়া যায়? এটাই কিছু নাই, তারপর 2টা বল, তারপর 2টা বল, তারপর ফাইনালি 8টা। এটা হচ্ছে এটা। So this way it is possible. So what will be the answer? Number of solution is what? So it is nothing but 3 sticks, 12 balls. The solution is equal to what? C 12 plus 3, comma 12. Nothing but C 15, comma 12. So this is the answer. Did you understand this problem? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. এবার প্রবলেমটাকে আরো কঠিন করব। I will make it more harder. How many integer solution are possible for the following inequality? x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 smaller than 10. এখন আর ইকুয়াল নাই, smaller than 10 হয়ে গেল। Tell me. আচ্ছা, এখানে একটা ক্যাচ দিয়ে দেই। এখানে where xi is greater or equal to 0, এই কনস্ট্যান্টটা দিয়ে দেয়, কারণ নেগেটিভ ভ্যালু হলে ব্যাপারটা জটিল। xi greater or equal to 0, where xi greater or equal to 0.
12,9 C 12,9.
স্ট্র্যাটেজি বলো না, অন্ধকারে ঢিল ছুঁড়ে লাভ নাই, স্ট্র্যাটেজি বলো।
So less than 10, so sir it would be 9 and the rest goes according to the formula.
9 ঠিক আছে, মানলাম। এখানে 9 বসাবো, এখানে জাস্ট 9 বসাই দিব।
Equal to 9.
কেন
Less
ইকুয়াল
than
টু 8 হলে, ইকুয়াল টু 8 হলে সমস্যা কোথায়? হোয়াট ইজ প্রবলেম উইথ ইকুয়াল টু 8?
uh,
less than 10.
okay.
So one is, your strategy is right.
Is my
Your
highest.
strategy is like, একটা হচ্ছে solve for equal to 9, then next one is solve for equal to 8. This way continue until what? Equal to
1.
1. Then you are going to add all those. This is a good strategy. You can solve this way, true. But is there any simpler strategy? How about this? Can we represent this equation like this? y1 plus y2 plus y3 plus y4 plus y5 equal to 10, where x1 equal to y1, x2 equal to y2, x3 equal to y3, x4 equal to y4, and xi greater or equal to 0 for 1 greater or equal to I smaller or equal to 4, and y5 is greater or equal to 1. Is it clear to you guys? Do you agree with me or not? যখন y5 এর ভ্যালু 1, তখন আমরা হচ্ছে কেস 1। যখন y5 এর ভ্যালু 2, তখন আমরা কেস 2। Is it clear to you guys? Huh? See, when y5 equal to 1, that means if you just remove 1 from the term, you get y1 plus y2, y3, y4 equal to 9. So case number 1. When y5 equal to 2, 10 minus 2, 8, you get case number 2. When y5 equal to 9, you get 9. Case number 9. Do you agree with me or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now y5 should be greater or equal to 1. y5 is greater or equal to 1. How about this? Now, if I remove 1, if I already put plus 1 to y5, then what would be this equation? It is nothing but y1 plus y2 plus y3 plus y4 plus y5. I put 1 already in here. Now it becomes equal to 9. Okay, so y5 dash. And in this case, y5 dash would be greater or equal to 0. Now we will get this. Do you agree with me or not? I already put one value to y5, it becomes y5 dash. So the whole equation becomes y1 plus y2 plus y3, y4, y5 dash equal to 9. Okay? Now what is this number of sticks? How many sticks are required? Number of sticks are required is 4. This one is y1, this one is y2, this one is y5 dash. Number of was 9. So what would be the answer? Number of solution is C 9 plus 4 comma 9, C 13 comma 9. This is the answer. Do you understand this problem? That's it. All right. So let's do another problem. Last problem of today. Okay. So this is the solution. So solution is like this. X1 is greater or equal to 1. X2 is greater or equal to 2. X3 is greater or equal to 3. X4 is greater or equal to 4. Okay. তাহলে the equation is like this. X1 plus X2 plus X3 plus X4 equal to 20. So we can consider X1 is nothing but left. X1 is nothing but Y1 plus 1, where Y1 is greater or equal to 0. X2 is nothing but Y2 plus 2, where Y2 is greater or equal to 0. X3 is nothing but Y3 plus 3, where Y3 is greater or equal to 0. X4 is nothing but Y4 plus 4, where Y4 is greater or equal to 0. So whole equation boils to Y1 plus Y2 plus Y3 plus Y4, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 10. So this one is 10, and we know the solution of this. So this one is where yi equal to 0 and what would be the solution? C 13, comma. All right. So this is the end of today's class. If you have any question, you can ask me. Otherwise, I'm leaving.
স্যার ইকুয়াল টু সাইনের জায়গায় যদি গ্রেটার দেন থাকতো তাহলে কি হইতো?
কোনটায়?
লাইক স্যার লেস দেন থাকলে তো স্যার একটা x5 অ্যাড করব। আর স্যার যদি
মুখস্থ
গ্রেটার
করতেছেন কেন? Why you are memorizing things? কোনটা বলেন? কোনটায় সমস্যা?
স্যার যদি স্যার গ্রেটার দেন থাকতো লাইক x1 প্লাস x2 প্লাস x3 প্লাস x4 ইজ
গ্রেটার দেন
গ্রেটার
থাকলে
দেন
তাহলে এই যে
20।
একটা তো করা লাগে। গ্রেটার দেন থাকলে তখন আরেকটা ভেরিয়েবল আনতে হবে।
স্যার লেস দেন থাকলে একটা ভেরিয়েবল না?
লেস দেন থাকলে হ্যাঁ, গ্রেটার দেন থাকলে কোনো ইনফাইনাইট সলিউশনস। গ্রেটার দেন থাকলে ইনফাইনাইট সলিউশন।
আচ্ছা স্যার।
And তাহলে তো বাউন্ড নাই, তাই না? ওকে।
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
Okay. Oh, before leaving, let's take the attendance.